This is the parking elevator. Another parking elevator here at the Monona Terrace Convention Center here in Monona, Wisconsin. We got another Schindler MT. Let's go to 5. Here we go. Here at 5, 3, another ADA phone. Get a cab view. Same cab as the others. Indicator, former MT buttons, C's replacement. 35 watt capacity. We're gonna end the video at 5. Purpose doesn't work. It says this one's a door hold open button. It's weird. It's labeled as door close. I can tell this one has an Epic motor. Original MT call button on the outside. There it goes. And that's it.